Hello everyone, I'm Sirisha Akurati. I'm pursuing masters in the stream of information technology in Deakin University, Burwood. This is our Trello board for the Deakin unit web page designing. So we have two other team members who are Mahesh Wali and Sudha. So this is our 4 week sprint program in which we have divided our tasks and assigned each to all the members in our team according to our capabilities and strengths. So coming to the week 1 sprint and the first sprint, we conducted our first team meeting. So in this we met and introduced ourselves to the team and gave our team a catchy name and assigned each role of Scrum product owner, Scrum Master and development team member to all the three. So I am the product owner, Scrum Master is Mahesh, and development team member is Sudha. So the product owner will share the understanding of the project with the group. So I shared my vision of the project and we developed user stories in the further tasks. So in the supervised meeting, we assigned roles to ourselves and we gathered required insights. We installed the required platforms such as Teams, GitHub, etc. So we developed the project environments in the upcoming meetings. So we developed an idea with respect to the project and we conducted several brainstorming sessions directly and indirectly using the Teams channel. The next step is to create the user stories. So in the user stories, we developed different user stories like as I shown here. So as a student, I want to access the information about research programs, funding opportunities and faculty expertise so that I can explore collaboration possibilities and stay updated on the relevant developments. My second user story is like as a faculty member, I want to centralize platform to upload course materials, post announcements, and communicate with students so that I can facilitate effective teaching and learning. So, as a staff member, I want a staff portal where I can access HR information and submit the leave requests, view the payroll details so that I can manage my employment effectively. Also, as a visitor to the website, I want a visually appealing homepage that showcases the university's brand and highlights its achievements so that I can form a positive impression of the institution. As an alumnus of the community, I want to be able to easily find information about university events, public lectures, and community outreach programs so that I can participate in the relevant activities and initiatives. So, after forming all the user stories, we got an idea like how to proceed with the project. All the group activities were distributed accordingly. We conducted kickoff meeting in the week 2. So it is like a regular meeting where we planned the things to work better. Here we created a product backlog. In this we assigned the user story to different individual tasks and divided them among ourselves. So here the problem statement is that the Deakin University website redesign program aims to redesign the university's current website to a modern, user-friendly and responsive website and that caters to the needs of the university students, staff and the other faculty members. This project involves the development of new features and functionalities while maintaining the existing content of the website. This website should have the following functionalities at the minimum. So after discussion and the outputs of the user stories, we came to a product backlog that for the research programs, we have to develop a dedicated web page listing the research programs. For the funding opportunities, we are planning to create a section of highlighting which is available for the funding opportunities and that can be made by anybody. So for the faculty, we have we are planning to implement a faculty directory with the detailed profiles for different units and different streams that are likely to be created. For the course materials, we are planning to upload a course materials upload feature where the students or other faculty members can upload a file within the faculty portal. An announcement posting has been trying. So the announcement posting is going to be implemented as a bulletin board or the announcement section. So for the leave request submission, we are planning to create an online form for submitting leave requests. As we mentioned that the payrolls details should also be viewed, we are planning to implement a section for viewing the payroll information. So the main thing, which is the homepage redesigning, we are planning to design a visually appealing layout that aligns with the university's brand guidelines. Along with this, we are planning to maintain a highlight achievements page where we identify the key achievements to showcase prominently on the home page, so that whenever the visitors visit our Deakin web page, they will find it appealing. So the event listing, which is mainly for the alumnus or the new students or the current students, we are going to develop a calendar on the listing page for the university events. For the community outreach programs, which are the alumnus or alumni of the campus, we are going to highlight the community outreach initiatives and programs. So for the first task, the group task, the homepage redesigning is planned for the first sprint. So by the time we complete the first sprint, which is on the 29th April, we are going to deliver the project to the project supervisor. So there comes a daily scrum meeting, which is going to be take place at the end of the sprint one. And finally, we'll deliver the task delivery to the project supervisor. Along with the homepage redesigning, we are planning to develop a navigation page, which is easy navigation through different web pages. After this, we are going to make an announcement posting in the Deakin web page. Along with this, we are brainstorming a leave request submission form, which will be on the homepage. All these will be progressed to the sprint 2, and the designing and appealing homepage will be the final output of the sprint 1. During the planning of the task, we usually faced a lot of difficulty when assigning the task, because all of us are new to the module and we are not so aware of the task, like how it is going to be completed in the upcoming weeks, whether we are going to be completed or not. So all these doubts are clarified when we started to plan our user stories into a smaller task. We assigned the task with respect to the strengths and weaknesses of our team members, and we gradually maintain the difficulty level of the task by dividing equally into the 4 sprints. Here we can see all the sprints until week 8. So we have divided the task for the upcoming sprints as follows. So the sprint 2 will begin in the week 4. The sprint tasks are as follows, like research programs, funding opportunities, faculty expertise. So for each sprint, we made sure we have 3 individual tasks or 3 group tasks, which will be equal contribution for the project. So we are advising the same to the other teams, like plan the things accordingly to your user stories, and make sure to split your task into simple and easy individual tasks so that it will not be a mess. Thank you so much. This is our sprint 1 trello board.